Hey guys, on tonight's video, we're going to take a stock 2004 Chevy Silverado and we're going to tastefully upgrade it and see what you guys think. So before and after. Hey guys, I buy and sell cars as a hobby and I bring you guys along with me showing you the pros and cons of each vehicle that I buy. Now I have friends that ask me to buy cars for them, sell cars for them, and even friends that ask me where to take their cars to be customized. So I have a friend of mine, Kevin, that owns a shop up in Manchester, New Hampshire, and we're gonna go and visit him today and he's gonna walk us through what he did.
Hi, my name is Kevin from Junior Speed and Tire. We're located at 101 South Main Street in Manchester, New Hampshire. We're on the west side. We specialize in tires, auto repair, state inspections. We're pretty much a full service shop. We also specialize in lift kits, wheels and tire packages for all makes and models, even trucks. We also are heavily into the speed and performance side of the business too. I've been doing this for 20 years. Speed and performance was my specialty. I got into tires 6 years ago. Best investment, best thing I probably ever did. We're a big shop. I stand behind everything I do 125%. Today, my friend of mine, Mike, who's shooting this video for me right now, he came in with his 2003 Chevy Silverado 1500. He installed a leveling kit and some nice RTX black 17-inch wheels with some nice Thunder AT tires. Truck looks great, drives great. That's a little something we do. We do get crazier. We do 6-inch lifts, 8-inch lifts. We lower cars, we bag them. We pretty much everything you pretty much need we can handle. We don't do paint. It's a little messy for what we're trying to do, but any questions or concerns, you always can give us a call at 603-669-7057. And thank you for watching.
So I want to thank Kevin, I want to thank Lou's Exhaust, and my friend Dennis for letting me do this video on his truck. And Dennis, I hope you enjoy it for many, many years. Until the next video, everybody, Baldadonis out.